Okay friends, today I'm going to show how to download the OpenJdk version and write a simple Java code and compile it and execute it. Okay, so let's see, I'm using the Mac operating system, so I'm going to download the Mac related version. So if you are a Windows user or Linux user, so you have to download the specific environment related file only. Okay, so by going to this website jdk.java.net and /archive, so that it will shows a page, and whichever the version you want it, you can download it. So right now I am downloading jdk 11.0.2 version. So where is my Mac operating system is 64-bit and tar.zip. So if it is your sees Windows, and download the Windows 64-bit zip file. So then click at tar.zip files. Okay, so once it is click on it, so it start downloading it here. So once it is downloaded, so you can go into the show in folder, and where you can see the downloaded file. So once it is downloaded here, and just click twice. So if you click twice, then it extract that file, or you can use a command line. So okay, so anything is fine. So once it is extracted, see, it's loading. So once it is down complete that extraction, you see that. So folder here, so jdk 11.0.2. so if you go inside it, you see the content, and again if you go inside home, you will see the bin, config, include, jmodel, legal, lib. So if it is a Mac operating system, you see this folder structure, but if it is on Windows, you see once you extract it, so you see the JDK folder, and underneath of this folder you'll see the bin, config, include, jmodel, lib, everything else. Search bar, same, and type the terminal. So whenever you say the terminal, so just click on it. That's it. So inside the home directory, so you type it, cd is the cd for change directory, and slash downloads. So you downloaded your zip file or tar file inside the download folder and extracted there itself, and then type the jdk 11. So you see that 11, and then if it is a Macintosh or Unix, so it's a different path, and if it is a Windows, so use a bin directory here. So I'm using the Mac, so here it is going to be a contains, home directory, and bin folder. Okay, so going to that inside the folder, and I'm going to write a Java code. Okay, so there are so many Java commands here. So Java tools, not commands, are tools. Okay, so we are going to use Java C for compilation, and we are using Java for execution. Okay, so let's create a Java file here. So if you're using the Unix or Mac, use the vi command, or if you're using the Windows, use the notepad and the file name. Okay, hello.java. So I'm using the vi because I'm using a Mac. So vi hello, and once you open the file, you see here the new file. So just before you typing, press I. So then it says the insert. So then you type public class, press enter, begin and end. So this is the begin and end. So then next type public static void main a string dot dot args, and press enter, and begin, and the same way end. So two begin braces and end braces. So in between you're going to write a system dot out dot println. This is a Java API, and double quotation stars. So I'm going to greet the message, welcome to Java programming. Okay, so then semicolon. So the semicolon says like this is the end of my statement or line. So the system.out.println is Java API. So the API used for to print this message on monitor. So that is your output. Okay, so then public static void main. So all small case, and here it is. Sorry, so I made mistakes here. String string. So string and string here and dot 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 argument. So we'll cover next tutorial. So and then public class all the way to here it is your Java keywords, and this is your class name. So it should be match your file name and the class name. Okay, so let's save it. So if you are on Windows, it's easy. Go to the file and save it. And whereas on Unix and Mac, so you have to use this save command. So press escape button and then shift colon symbol and press X. So this is going to be save the file and come out from this editor and press enter. So once it is saved, so now the file is saved. So now we have to compile this code. So Java C hello.java. So when I say Java C hello.java, so the source code is going to be converted into bytecode. So Java C. Okay, so let's see ls. So if you see there is a one more file created. So after your compilation, so that is a bytecode hello.class. So now hello.java and hello. So let's run the Java hello. So Java is a execution, so it is going to convert your bytecode to your local hardware machine code. So then here you have to provide the class name, whatever the class name you provided. Oh, okay, so in this case our file name and the class name is both are same. So use the Java hello and press enter. So now you see the output. That's it. So that's a output. So that's a greeting. So from the Java. Okay. So that's it today. Bye.